Hi, writers. Thanks for joining back in for another writing lesson. Well, today is a big day because today is the day where you're going to look back through your writing from the last week and a half or so about all of the information about animals that you've been researching, because today is the day that you're going to decide on which animal to move forward with. So, since that's what we're going to be working on today, I'm going to show you how I am moving forward on this research, just as a way to model for you for something that you can do. In order for me to model and share with you, I am going to share my screen with you. So give me just a minute. And hopefully, here we go. I made a PowerPoint just for the beginning, just to show you how we're going to do a little pre-writing today once you have selected your animal. So that's the first thing that you need to do. So last week I read some nonfiction books about dolphins and I got curious to learn more about them. So I chose dolphins as the topic of my report. So I wrote some things that I know or that I think I know about dolphins. So I started with where they live. So I wrote dolphins live in the sea. Now, then the next thing I decided to write was what type of animal that they are. So then I wrote they are mammals. Now, the word mammals has a certain meaning, so I think that maybe I'll try to explain what I think mammals means. So I wrote, that means they breathe air. Being a mammal also means that they are warm-blooded. What else do I remember from my reading? Well, let's see. I wrote what dolphins like and what they usually eat. So I wrote they are smart and friendly. And I wrote that their diet is mainly fish. Now, the last thing is that I'm still curious about many things about dolphins. So I thought I would write, one thing I wonder about dolphins is what their babies are like. Okay, so now you were able to see some of my pre-writing. Let me stop presenting. I just wanted you to see what I actually wrote based on, the things that I was telling you, just so that you kind of get an idea about what you should be writing today. So the lesson's pretty short because you're going to need to do a lot of the work, which is to go back through your writer's notebook, look and see all of the information that you've researched about animals thus far, select one, either that you've already researched or that you're just really curious about and you want to immediately start researching that one. Because for the next 15 to 20 minutes, I want you to do research about your final animal selection, and I want you to begin writing your book about whatever your animal is. So I think that was all I wanted to share with you. Yes, I was just checking my notes. I am really excited to hear about what animals you guys will have selected and to, see your writing come in whenever you've got your book done. So this is just day one of your official animal book. Happy selection and writing. You got this.